Good morning. Good morning, guys. So today's a better day. We are need to start the car. We are in the car before 7:40 because they have to go to academy today. So I'm dropping them off. Their dad is picking them up. I have to remind him that he needs to pick them up, or else he'll come home without them, because when you get in a routine, it's kind of hard to drift from it or whatever. So and then I have to remember that I have to pick up Jaxson, because since I'm dropping these kids off, I'll forget all about him. But I have to remember I have to pick up Jack from school. And then I have to go to Lowe's again. Hubby decided that we're no longer going to do the towels because it's just way too expensive. So we're just going to go ahead and change out the light fixtures in the bathroom and also the faucets. So hopefully I can get all of this stuff under 200 bucks. If not, then we'll just do the lights. And then I have to go and run and get some stuff. And we definitely have to go now because homegirl here is about to freak out. But anyways, I just wanted to hop on here and say good morning, guys.
Good morning.
I guess they're not up yet, but good morning, guys. We're at Walmart. I came for the faucet, and I was like, lo and behold, watch I come to Walmart for the faucet, and they only have one, and they only had one. So of course I can't just get one. So I gotta get Miss Maddie some diaper. I gotta pick up dinner and some other little. Hi.
Hi, Daddy.
Yes.
Daddy.
Yeah. So I'm gonna hurry up and get out of here before I spend way too much money. Walmart and Target does that to you. You come for one thing and you leave with the whole store. So grabbing her some loves. I was hoping that she'll be out of diapers soon, but potty training is not going as I thought it would. She's eating Sour Patch Kids, a whole box. Don't blame, don't. It's just to keep her quiet, Tantrums in stores are real, okay? So as long as that box lasts her until we're here, I'm okay. It's okay. Let's pretend she's not eating a whole jar of sugar and gonna have a meltdown soon. So back home, and I'm getting ready to do a little haul for you guys. Went to Walmart, and let me just show you guys what I got. Okay, so let's see if I can set you guys down here. Okay, I got you guys all rigged up now, so hopefully it doesn't fall. The first thing I got from Walmart is this thing. I hope you guys did not. Yeah. First thing I got from Walmart is this little bike. And Maddie took it apart. She took the flowers out. So luckily I wasn't going to use the flower. I think this was $4.44 or something like that. It's going to go on my tiered tree, my little tiered stand thingy, just for some decoration. But I don't know if I'm going to use the flower part, because, Maddie done took it apart. So that's the first thing. Got some ramen noodles for the kids. I don't think I'm going to show you what's in this bag, because that's just food. That would be very boring if I showed you guys food. I'm going to show you guys the good stuff. I got a thing of leaf to go on my tiered tray. I got this sweater. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is so stinking cute. It was on clearance for 13 bucks. Can you guys see that? $13. And it is so cute. Like, it feels so warm. It feels so stinking warm. So yeah, it's just gray and white, and I got that for me. Guys, I don't know about y'all, but y'all need to run to Walmart if you have a little boy. This was $3. It comes with the little shirt, and then it has another shirt under it. There's another shirt under here. $3. So I hooked up my big boys. I hooked them up. So it's like $1.50 a piece. And it has a hoodie. And this is really thick fabric. Like, this is not no cheap nothing. This is, you know, it was originally $14. So I got it for $3. I got them some pants, some long jogging pants. And this was $3 as well. I got bows for Maddie's hair. I didn't mean to get so many, but I did. So I got bows, and more bows. I got 5 bows for her hair. They were 50 cents a piece. Here go another one of those shirts, $3. $3. And then it has the gray shirt on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has a gray shirt on the inside. $3 from Walmart. So run to Walmart if you have one, because they have little boy stuff on clearance. And I got this little sweater situation. It's like the workout gear type material for $3 again. And this is for my big boys, the twins. And then we have t-shirts, $3. Another t-shirt, long sleeve. This is for winter next year and this year. This one says Batman. And then the letter on here is kind of raised. So $3. This other guy, it has a hoodie on there. But it has the pocket right here, situation right here. $3. These weren't on sale, but because they have a performance tomorrow, which is the only reason why I went to Walmart, was to get them black pants for their performance tomorrow at the Academy. So these were $12.99. I saw about 2 because they don't have any black pants that fit anymore. Another set of clothes. Like, I got them so much stuff. You hear me? So much stuff for $3. Who you kidding? This was another one. It has the hoodie right here. $3. Like $3. I'm telling y'all. Another hoodie situation. $3. $3. I keep saying $3 because, you know, with so many kids, I have to find bargains somewhere. And this is another shirt, and it's also raised. $3. I got me some leggings because, you know, I'm slowly adding to my clothes because, you know, us mothers, we never tend to do anything for ourselves. It's always our children. So I'm taking it up on myself to add to my clothing because, yeah. So I just got this little legging right here. I like the pattern. So I also got these shower curtain ruffle thing for my, it's not shower curtain. It's a curtain, but I'm gonna use it for shower curtain outside of my shower because it's not gonna get wet because we do have a shower door. It's just to hide the chrome finish that we have because I'm going for black in my bathroom, and I'm not about to spend $600 to change out our shower doors, and I'm not about to spray paint it either. Destiny has to wear a white top. I couldn't find anything dressed up, so I just got her a little t-shirt. I couldn't find her black skirt or black pants. I don't know, for some reason, I don't know. So I just got her that. Then tomorrow, for the boys, they have to wear white shirt. These were the only white shirts I could find. What's up with the lighting? Okay. These were the only white shirts I could find. So I just got them 2. These were $10. So this was like $20. Yeah, $10.42. So $11 a piece. So I got 2. And usually for the twins, I no longer double up on their clothes, like buy them the same thing, because I remember as a child growing up, I used to hate when my mom would dress me and my twin sister, the lighting is horrible, would dress me and my twin sister alike. I hated it. I hated it. So I don't dress my twins alike. I do not dress my twins alike whatsoever. When they were younger, it was cute. Now that they have their own identity and personality, I don't do it. I want them to be their own person, you know what I mean? So so I got 2 of those because I couldn't find any, you know, any other white shirts, so that's the only reason. And also it helps when I passed it down to Jaxson, because I realize now that, you know, whenever time they get stuff from people and they tend to double up and buy the same outfit for them, Jaxson tend to end up with so much doubles, and he's just one boy. He doesn't need double of, you know. So I got diaper for Miss Madison. She's in a size 3. She's very tiny. We're working on potty training her. More clothes, guys, if you can believe it. More clothes, lots of clothes. So we got another shirt situation, $3. Another one, shirt situation, $3. So yeah, that's cute. We got some pants for the boys because they're getting so tall. They're wearing 14, 16 now. They're only 12, going on 13. Another shirt, $3. This is from Home Depot, not Home Depot, Hobby Lobby. I went and picked up this one for Jackson's room because I told you guys that I was gonna get a curtain rod for his room. So here you go, Jack. $3, $3.74 from Hobby Lobby. Also from Hobby Lobby, I got this lamb ears wreath. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but it was $5. I got this letter situation for my cash envelope thing. So it's just like that. $2.49. $2.49 for this. So cute. So I'm gonna put my cash envelopes in here. That's what I got that for. Let me hurry up before my husband comes home and see all this crap out and go crazy. I got this for my planner and it was $1.24. So it's just like that. It's really pretty. And then also I got this for my planner, 74 cents. And I got these paper clips for my planner, 99 cents. And then for the mail, I got this, and it was originally, it's I paid $19 for this. So I'm gonna take this back next week, next Monday, and get it, the price adjusted to $10 because, yeah, I gotta get this adjusted. Because she said it wasn't on clearance. It wasn't 50% off. I went to Walmart, well, obviously, and I got some makeup remover because I'm starting to wear a lot of makeup now. You guys can't tell. So I need makeup remover to remove my makeup at night because I'm just lazy enough where I will sleep with the makeup on my face and wonder why I have breakouts. I showed you guys these from yesterday from Kirkland's. Oh, it smells so good. And then this sign, I showed you guys that yesterday. It's just now coming out of my car. I got some coffee. I got a bottle of coffee thingy and coffee creamer for my coffee drink. Because I'm back on my intermittent fasting. We got some milk. Then from Walmart, I got this shower curtain rod to go over my shower. At first I wasn't gonna buy this from Walmart because if you look at it, it's actually brown. It comes off brown. And I went to Lowe's to go see if they have one, and Lowe's looks just like this. And they want $20. And at Walmart, this thing is $10. I'm like, no, thank you. So, you see? It looks brown. But I'm going for, I guess this is what they call bronze. But I want black. Yeah. But anyways, guys, this is it. I'm going to go put this up. And, oh, no, this is not it. Hold on. I got 2 of these. I got 2 lights for our bathroom. So this is what the vanity light is going to look like right here. So I just got 2. So this is what it looks like. And I got 2. Hubby didn't want the one with the 3rd light. I like that one, but he was like, it's more money in electricity, so no. And I didn't find any faucets, so that's just gonna have to wait. So guys, it's several days later. I forgot to close out that vlog, and lights are up and everything, but you guys have to wait for the final reveal on that bathroom. We have 1 more day of, you know, touch up here, and then we also have to put in the faucet. So probably about, I don't know, guys, I don't know. It's also based on the budget. So it's 95%. It's just the 5%. Don't mind Maddie's hair. Yeah, say hi, guys. We've been missing for a while. But anyways, I just wanted to close out this vlog and tell you guys thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.